it's already used. That's why it's got paint on there. Okay, that's another yard to go. I'm gonna get some rope in the top. I wonder what I did with those things. Want more rope. I'll put the top on there too. What the fuck, right? No, please don't tell me I broke the wheelbarrow. I did. I broke the fucking wheelbarrow. God damn it. I broke the motherfucking wheelbarrow. God damn that fucking woman. Stupid fucking woman. Imagine that. Not you, Ruben.
How you doing? I only stopped for 1 second. I'm not stopping.
Yeah, I got a man coming to pick up the truck, and I'm not done loading yet. Tomorrow's good. How are you?
Oh no, I'm not going anywhere. How you doing?
Good. Tomorrow's good.
Yeah.
Okay.
What's the bracket on the back?
Yeah, no, don't worry about the bracket. It's garbage. It's worth fucking $1,500, and I don't have time to take it off. So.
Yeah, I'm gonna go there then.
Okay. Unless you want to buy it.
What?
The bracket.
Oh, I don't know. What does it hold? The outboard motor?
Yeah.
What is it? Steel or aluminum?
Stainless. It's worth $1,500. I don't have time to take it off. And you can't get to it.
Oh. That's okay. So you're junking it.
The most I could get for the bracket is about $125 from Chris Carson.
Yeah, you imagine.
But you're not taking it off, so don't worry about it. No, because the bolts are on the inside.
I know, but you take a chainsaw and make a hole.
And forget that. Forget that. It's junk. I'm not going to fucking do that. I don't have time.
So somebody's taking this to the dump?
I'm taking it to the dump.
You're taking it to the dump?
Yeah. I might take it off at the dump. You want to buy it?
Yeah,
It's worth.
no.
Well, how much will you pay me for it?
Yeah, you say 125. I'll give you that, no problem.
No, Chris Carson will give me that much.
150. I mean, all we need is a cut around and around, no?
What?
If you take a chance.
I don't have.
Zoom. Yeah, I know. Don't worry about it. It's not worth your time. Don't worry.
I might follow him with my truck, but.
Somebody's taking this, you mean, right now?
Yeah.
Okay, so don't worry about it.
Yeah, I just ran out of time.
Yeah.
I told you to come yesterday.
No, you think I have time? I want to keys.
And then but you were going to come this morning. We could have did something with the bracket this morning.
Yeah.
That bracket is really worth $1,500.
No, I can get like 300 for it. That's it.
Well,
4 maybe.
Yeah. No, you could get $850 for that bracket. Yeah. Okay. Listen, I've watched Chris Carson sell them for $1,000, the same bracket.
Oh,
Yeah.
for sure. I'm not saying no. Of course you can sell them.
Well, but you'll find somebody.
I had like 6 of them. That's what I'm saying.
Okay. All right, I got to get back to work.
Yeah, I'll talk to you later. I didn't even mean to stop by you. It was coincidental. I wanted to buy one.
I fired Richie. He went into one. I fired Richie. I fired him.
Oh.
He quit. He went into one of his fucking diabetic stupids. He was standing there like...
Why doesn't he fucking monitor?
I'm telling you, we had rope on the floor. We had garbage on the floor. We were walking through it. I said, why don't you bend over and pick the shit up? And he went...
He got in attack.
Like that. That was nothing. We were moving lumber. We were picking the lumber up by the street sign over there, picking it up and carrying it, put it against my truck. For 2 fucking days, I tell him, put the lumber up against the truck, lean it up like that. He picks the lumber and he throws it on the fucking floor. I said, now I gotta pick the fucking lumber up again. I went fucking, and it was heavy lumber.
That's why you cannot get helper. That's my problem. I can never get a helper.
He went into his fucking brain again. Whatever happened, I said, yeah, this is bullshit. I'll do it myself.
And every time it happens, he loses brain cells.
And every time he doesn't even do anything about it.
We did some research for him. My wife is trying to get him. He doesn't want the automatic one.
Yeah, he said something about that, but he doesn't like it. In case he goes swimming. Okay. All right, Ruben. Hello, Mark. Now you're the one who looks clean, and I'm the one working like a fucking dogged animal. Holy shit.
All day.
Okay, come on back to it. Ho! Holy shit. Hey, Mark, can I work at the dump to take a bracket off the back of the boat once they pull it off? It's only 6 bolts. I'll take my truck over there.
Yeah, I don't see why not.
Okay, but here's the thing. You're going to pick the Bobcat up tonight, right?
If you need it, you want to use it tonight?
Yeah, I could use it for about 3 more hours.
Yeah.
Okay. Up? Up?
No, up in the air.
Okay. Yeah, I got a load of a stainless steel table in the back that weighs about 600 pounds, and I can't do it by hand. I can have it ready for you in the morning.
Yeah, it'll be fine.
Okay, I'll just do the bracket tonight. I mean, I'll take my truck over there, do the bracket, and then.
Yeah, just follow me, and we'll go right here through the back road.
Okay, how do you want to tie this down?
I don't want to tie it now.
What?
It'll be all right.
Yeah. This thing is bouncy.
Yeah, we're going to go right here down the back road.
All right, so you don't want to put a top on it? Huh? I got to tie off one more thing. I got to tie off the other stanchion. Yeah. Holy shit. Holy shit.
Oh, shit.
Hey, Mike.
Pull up.
It's dragging because it's fucking heavy. Oh! Maybe it's dragging because that tie is low.
No.
No?
That's good.
Okay.
Stay behind me.
I got it. Wait, let me get my truck. You could turn around. Oh. Huh. 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 I need those wrenches, right? Oh, I gotta get the wrenches. I have the wrenches. I don't need that yet. I don't need that yet. Oh, holy shit. Holy shit. Holy shit. Holy shit. Oh shit. Ha. 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 Oh, yeah. Holy shit. Holy shit. Ha. 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 Holy shit. Holy shit. Holy shit, is it hot. It's so fucking hot, it's hard to comprehend. That's how hot it is. It's so hot, it's hard to comprehend how hot it is. Holy shit. Shit, is it hot? Holy shit. Oh, shit. It's so fucking hot. I should have did this in the morning. Well, he's got work to do in the morning. Holy shit. I don't know where he just went. Wow. Look at that fucking load. Look at that load. My God, that's a fucking mess. That's a fucking disaster waiting to happen, actually. Atlantic Drive, huh? Didn't even know the street went through. I haven't been back here in years and years. I think that tie is a little low. I don't care what he says. Last time I was back here, I cleaned up the property that we just went past. And that had to be 6 or 7 years ago. There's not that much weight in that boat. I don't understand why it's sinking like that. Yeah, that's some load we got there.